Oh, it's moving. It's moving. Here is a door.
Ooh.
Ooh, so that is also a driverless bus. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Woohoo! It's complicated in here.
Do you feel dizzy now?
Future is coming.
See you, see you, see you.
Hello everyone, I'm your Bing Bing. Today I'm going to take a fully driverless taxi in Nansha of Guangzhou, and also called autonomous taxi in China. And this project is still in test, so only this district, this place are available. It's my first try. I have ever tried that before in Shenzhen. So today I will record this process. Let's go. Woo! And before getting, you need to download their app at first, just like Uber, to register and log in to call for a car via that platform. Can you see that? That car with a pyramid shape seats on the roof? So fast! Oh my god, I'm so excited.
It's just up there?
Yeah, I guess the point is right there.
Okay.
Yeah. It's a Lexus. Can you imagine that? You take
Good.
taxi, luxury.
Some nice car.
Yeah.
It is.
Okay, let's check around this car for safety reasons, you know. This car is a modified car, yeah, with high definition cameras and the lidar right there. It's all sensors to collect the data. They also have a camera behind the car and some electronic devices. I don't know their exact functions.
Okay.
And before getting, we need to verify our identity via this app to unlock the car. It's unlocking now. And finished. And open it. Let's go, IT! I'm so excited. Hey, Mr. Ghost. And we need to input the last 4-digit number of our phone, which is 8661. And press here. Start. Here we go.
Oh, it's moving. It's moving.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Oh God.
It seems like in science fiction.
Are you nervous?
A little bit, but I have safety belt.
Yeah, it's just a little bit weird to see some car actually driving without a driver. That's astonishing.
He can brake automatically, fully automatic. You know, we can now sit in there, right?
Yes.
For safety reasons to interfere with the car.
Here is a door.
Someone put it there.
Yeah, there are 2 cars ahead of us. We're changing the lane now. It's very, very smooth. Yeah, we just changed here.
It's more stable than I thought.
Yeah, it's much more stable. I thought it would be very, very hard.
Yeah.
But actually, I guess it's actually better than most of the taxi drivers do think.
Yeah.
That is assistant screen. It's for the assistant drivers to monitor the situation and to collect the data.
Oh,
yeah, but
it's an abstraction.
Yeah, but today there is no assistant driver.
Right.
We're turning back. See?
Ooh.
Ooh, see
So
that?
smooth.
See the wheel? Yes.
It can turn itself. That's so amazing. And you can interact with the car via this screen, and you can choose whether English or Chinese version. I may choose the English version. And here is the abstraction and simulation of the environment around this car. Here is the introduction of this company. It's called Pony.ai. Some videos about this company and graphic introduction. And for the safety instructions here. I'm not used to this car. So smooth, so stable than I thought.
Yeah, I believe it has great potential to be used in other places.
You know, Lexus is very expensive, right?
Yes, it's about $500,000 or maybe a little bit more than that.
And you need also to install many devices like the cameras and the lidar. That's very expensive. I think the cost is much more than the car itself.
So we are taking advantage of the Pony AI, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, the car can tell all the cars in the crossing, even that far, about 100 meters away, and the people on a pedestrian. Its sensor is really advanced. Wow.
Just like the autopilot in Tesla, right?
Yes, yes.
Similar program. It's complicated in here, but he handled it very well.
Yes, he handled it very well.
Beyond my expectation.
Yes.
I thought it would be a dangerous trip.
I thought I maybe get dizzy and vomit and something like that, but it's really smooth. I'm wondering if this car crashes someone, who will pay for the bill?
The company, the Pony AI, I guess. Yeah.
Maybe, yeah. It's his test. He has responsibility for that.
Yeah. I think they have negotiated with the authorities before. What do you think of this car? Do you like it, or more severe question, will the driver be replaced by this program?
I don't know, but I think it drives really good, so maybe some of the drivers will lose their jobs.
That's a harsh problem. You know, this car, they don't need brakes. They don't have family to breed. They just need refuel or charging. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. How can we compete with them?
It's just like the future of the transport, so I don't know how to compete. It's just like the machines and industrial revolution, and I just hope the process will not be that harsh.
I hope that they will come lately.
Yeah, hope they could keep their jobs safe.
It must be a severe social problem.
Oh, do you see that? That is also a driverless bus. It's still testing here. Yeah.
Wow, it's a Robotaxi.
I can see the assistant driver on it. It's a Robobus.
Or Robobus. I'm sorry.
Yeah, we passed this car. Yeah, suddenly it's
We're accelerating now. Woohoo!
Yeah, here's a red light. I wonder if it could recognize the red light to turn green. And it's waiting here. No car ahead of us. It's counting now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Yeah.
Wow! It feels smoothly.
Yeah, it's definitely recognized that. Astonishing. That's astonishing.
We're heading up, right?
Yeah, we're heading to a bridge. Let's see, it accelerates very smooth, and the human driver is far ahead of us. It's very gentle driver. See, this is Nansha district. Very beautiful skyline.
It's a new district, new build district.
Yes. Rickshaw, and it is a rickshaw. How does it work so good?
I think it's because of their sensors and algorithms, their advanced algorithm. You know, the sensors just collect data from the cameras and the lidars, and they need to optimize their algorithms as a background and to get improvement to make it more safe. You know, that's why in the center of the city like Shenzhen, these cars are still not available. It's fully driverless. They have assistant drivers.
You know, just like 4 years ago, I can't imagine I sit in a car without a driver. Yes, 4 years ago. I read about it on the news, but I don't believe it will come to real this fast. No, I don't.
The future is coming.
So, if there is a car like this for sale in the future, will you buy one, or you prefer to drive by yourself?
I like to drive myself. I like drive.
Do you? Oh,
yeah.
Great. I like drive too.
I'm a good driver.
Come on, interview. Do you feel dizzy now?
Not at all. I'm easy to get set off when I'm sitting in the car, but in this car, totally not. I feel very comfortable.
Oh, really? So it means it's already better than like 80% of the taxi drivers, right?
Yeah.
Good for it. Good for Mr. Pony. Good for Mr. Ghost. Unbelievable.
Around 1 kilometer left and around 2 minutes.
Okay.
Yes, here's our destination, the yellow point. We're almost approach, right?
Yeah, we arrived.
To wait the car. Stop, stable. See you.
See you. Thank you.
you.
Bye bye.
Thanks, Mr. Ghost. See you next time. Oh. Oh. Go.
It's gone. Bye. See you. See you. See you.
And that's for today's video. If you like me, please subscribe my channel.
If there is something more you want to see in China, please tell us. Thank you.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.